Hi, I'm Jill Rother with the Rother Real Estate Group at Keller Williams Realty East Valley in Phoenix, Arizona. And today we're going to go ahead and talk about mortgage loans and what's available. But before we begin, I'd like to bring attention to two links on my blog. If you're looking to sell or just want to know what your home value is, click here. If you're looking to buy or just want to look for homes, click here. Now back to our topic. Well, today we're going to go ahead and talk about mortgage loans and what's available. Well, I don't have my lender with me today, but I wanted to do a brief overview of what's going on with mortgage loans and just generally what's available. Because of the market that crash that we had in 2007 to pretty much 2010, a lot of loans had gone away. Well, now that's not the case. We have a lot more options. So I want to start with the big one that a lot of people know about, which is going to be your conventional loans, okay? Those are going to be backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac through the U.S. government, and those can start as little as 0% down or 3% down, 5, 10, 15, and even 20%. Some people know that hopefully at 20% you hit that magic number and you don't have mortgage insurance. So that's really the big caveat for that one. And that limit goes up to $417,000. Your FHA loans are going to be your 3.5% down. That's not just for first-time home buyers, which a lot of people think. That's not the case. It does give you the most greater flexibility as far as having any type of past distress sale, which would have been short sales or foreclosures, or ever had a bankruptcy in your financial situation. So that's the most forgiving and one of the ones we really like to go with often right now. The next one, which is not as well known, but we would like it to become more popular, is the down payment assistance programs that can also do down payment and closing cost, and they are grant programs. So there's about at least 5 or 6 well-known ones out there, and we've had a lot of our clients this year take advantage of them, which means they were able to get into a home that they didn't have necessarily their down payment, or they didn't have their closing costs, and that was all covered. There are some stipulations that you have to have specific credit score limits, you have to have income limits, is probably the biggest one that we see. So those are going to be ones that we really want you to check out. Please, I would rather you have us call us, and I'll have you get in touch with my mortgage lender so they can talk to you all about the different programs out there so you know the specifics, and then that way you don't get the misinformation on the internet. And then the last one we're going to see is going to be jumbo loans. All jumbo loans are going to be above $417,000. Those are coming back pretty strong. It's just because our luxury market or anything above 417 is really doing well. And so a lot of these programs will sometimes tailor to people who maybe need them, like doctors or professionals, high-level professionals that need it, and or pharmacists or anything like that. So those are going to be the types of loans that we have. And even with that, there's so much more flexibility than we ever had out there regarding our loans. So if you are thinking about buying, please know this is the first place you actually stop. Is going to figure out what you need for a loan, and there's so many options out there. So we don't want you to just pigeonhole yourself into one or the other, or somebody told you weren't eligible for that loan. Let's call us up and get educated, and we'll make sure that we can find the loan that works best for you if at all possible. So thanks for watching my video blog today. If you're looking at buying or selling or interested, please call my office for a free consultation. We'd be glad to take care of you. Thanks so much and have a great day.